Does your mint look fresh when you buy it, but become limp and dark before you can use it all? This is a common problem, but there are simple ways to keep mint fresh for longer. After trying different storage methods, here are 5 practical ways to preserve mint and maintain its fresh flavor. In this video, you'll learn each storage method step by step. Watch until the end to find the method that works best for your needs. One useful way to make the most of healthy mint stems is to replant them and grow new plants. First, choose mint tips with long stems that are still green and healthy. Then prepare a clean plastic bottle and make several holes around the body of the bottle to use as planting spots. Also make a few small holes at the bottom, so excess water can drain away and prevent the roots from staying too wet. Next, make a medium-sized opening at the top of the bottle to make watering easier. Add planting soil inside the bottle. Then gently insert each mint tip into the holes you made around the bottle. Keep the soil properly moist and the mint. Tips will gradually develop roots, grow into new plants, and produce fresh leaves for everyday use. Finally, tie a string around the neck of the bottle and hang it in a cool, well-ventilated place away from strong sunlight. Water it evenly each day. This method gives you a convenient supply of fresh mint, while also keeping your indoor space green, fresh, and relaxing. Another simple method is preserving mint in zip bags. This method is convenient and makes the mint easy to use whenever you need it. But clean it first. Start by removing any yellow, bruised, insect-damaged, or darkened leaves. Then place the mint in a bowl of clean water. Add 1 spoonful of baking soda. Stir well, and soak the mint for 3 to 5 minutes to help remove dirt and unwanted residue. After that, remove the mint, rinse it thoroughly with clean water, and let it dry completely. Next, keep the sprigs whole or separate them into smaller branches, depending on how you plan to use them. Prepare several zip bags and place the mint into the bags in convenient portions. Close each bag, leaving a small gap, then press out as much air as possible before sealing the bag tightly. Store everything in the refrigerator. This can help keep the mint fresh and flavorful for about 1 to 2 weeks. Most importantly, it keeps the mint clean, convenient, and ready to use whenever needed. Another useful method is storing mint in an airtight container with paper towels. First, prepare a container with a tight-fitting lid and line the bottom with a layer of dry paper towel. Place the mint inside, but avoid packing it too tightly so the leaves do not become bruised. Cover the mint with another layer of paper towel, and close the lid and store it in the refrigerator if you plan to use it within about 7 to 10 days. For longer storage, you can place it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 months. The paper towel absorbs excess moisture, helping prevent the leaves from becoming slimy, dark, or wilted too quickly. This helps the mint stay fragrant and fresh for longer. Another simple way to preserve mint is to hang it and let it dry naturally. First, choose fresh mint sprigs with stems that are slightly long and not too wet, which helps reduce the risk of mold. Next, arrange the mint into small bunches. Avoid making them too thick so air can circulate properly. Use string to gently tie the stems together. Then hang the bunches in a dry, cool, well-ventilated place away from direct sunlight. Strong sunlight can cause the leaves to lose their color and natural aroma. Once the leaves become completely dry and crispy, place them in a zip bag and gently crush them. You can use the dried mint as a seasoning for tea, salads, baked dishes, or everyday meals. Finally, another way to make use of mint is to infuse it in vinegar. This method does not keep the leaves fresh like they were originally, but it helps preserve the refreshing aroma of mint in the vinegar, making it useful for many kitchen tasks. First, place the mint in a clean, dry glass jar. Then pour in white vinegar or apple cider vinegar until the leaves are completely covered. The vinegar helps extract the natural refreshing aroma of the mint, while also creating an acidic environment that can help limit bacterial growth. Next, close the jar tightly and leave it in a cool place for a few days so the mint aroma can infuse into the vinegar. After a few days, the vinegar will have a pleasant fragrance with a light mint flavor. You can use mint vinegar to dress salads, lightly marinate vegetables, or help remove unwanted odors in the kitchen. And those are 5 simple ways to preserve and make better use of mint at home. When stored properly, you can reduce waste and enjoy fresh, fragrant mint for longer. Which method do you like best? Share your favorite method in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.